Hello. So what I wanted to do was make this nice because it's right on my front door versus doing kind of using traditional irrigation parts. So I went with copper, way more expensive, but kind of a one-time thing, kind of make it fancy. And then I'll show you another spot that I did use traditional parts on kind of on the back side of the house. I didn't mind that too much, but we'll take a look at that. And this is super awesome, and obviously it's going to last forever. Alrighty, bye. Yeah, so this would have been the other option, something like that. Just run that black tubing up and under or around or whatever. Here we go, we're gonna flush it out. I got it shooting off over there. See what happens. Oh, I think I see the water coming through there. Ooh, yeah. Little leak, I'll tighten that up. Adjustable stake bubbler on there. Okay, I just want to show you the final product here. It's not leaking, and just turn it on. I got an adjustable dripper up there, so it's adjusted, and then it's going to overflow a little bit. Then I got it going into those flower pots below. So we're gonna use all the water, and then threaded pipe action. Well, I don't know, doesn't really make no sense, but anyways, we got another one in here that goes down into that flower pot. But to make sense of this, this is what you have to see. Yeah, right there. So eventually this area will look like that area. So that's what's happening right there.